Good day, I am Leonel Gamanso and this is my reflection video about Lesson 2 Material Self focusing on the topic Body. According to William James, the body is part of our material self because it is the most intimate and personal possession we have. I realize that our body represents not only who we are physically, but also how we take care of ourselves and how we show respect to our being. For me, taking care of my body means valuing myself. It's not just about appearance, but also about being healthy, confident, and capable of doing the things I love. Our body changes as we grow, but it is continues to be reflection of our choices, habits, and lifestyle. This lesson reminds me that loving my body is part of loving my whole self because it is through my body that I experience life and express who I truly I am. That's all. Thank you.